Hey folks, FGFRC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Want you to look, got a mod on the Viper. Can you see up the tailpipe? Here. Now can you see up the tailpipe? Got the KM Models Afterburner. Get a little wheel wash there. All right. Model like Draco really needs no real introduction. It is the ever famous, ever wonderful flying E-FLITE Viper with the KM Models Afterburner in her. Flying on high rates, which for me are 100% throws over 20% expo all the way around. All right.
Safe mode, AS3X mode, AS3X.
All right, AS3X mode is what I want. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, here we go.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Huh, still don't have the audio call out for my gear put in. Let's make sure my gear is down. And it is. Oh, I can see that afterburner. Thank you, KM Models, for sending that out to me for a review. Even in the bright sunshine, I could see it.
Landing flaps. Braking. Flaps up.
All right.
Brakes off. Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Let's pause for just a second where I can put the audio call out for the landing gear. Hold on just a moment. All right, we're going to continue on the flight. I didn't have the call out for the gear in. I wanted to put that in real quick. All right, I'm going to do takeoff flaps this time. And here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
All right, we're going to take her up. Oh man, has that got a wonderful howl to it.
Landing flaps.
All right, we're going to turn around and come back in our direction.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh boy, what a great flying plane.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Take her out. We'll bring her by slow and low. Still got the gear down. We're going to do another landing run. Dirty. I'm running an RC Hackers 6000 with 100C discharge, just so you're aware.
Braking. Flaps up.
All right, now to show that she is grass capable, I'm going to take off on this real rough, untreated runway.
1 minute. Brakes off.
And then we're going to turn around and land in that same direction.
Landing flaps.
There you go. Just to show you, the grass is not an issue with this plane.
30 seconds.
All right, we got enough for one more.
Take off flaps.
And here we go.
Flaps up. 20 seconds. Landing flaps. Braking. 9, 8. Brakes off. 7.
What an incredible, amazing jet to fly. Absolutely fabulous jet.
5.
I want you to take a good look. Look at that booty, that afterburner. When I really punch it, it turns blue.
3.
Now,
Prop secured.
the battery I have in there, we flew for 3 minutes and 58 seconds. The battery I have in there is not a smart battery. I can't look at it here. It just shows me a blank battery. So I have to check it the old-fashioned way, and actually the way I trust a lot more. I mean, don't get me wrong. I got a lot of faith in the Spectrum technology, but to me, the more you complicate, the more things you add, more chance of things going wrong. So I just soon use a good old-fashioned checker. Got to undo the afterburner though, and that's okay. That is okay. Let me, real quick before I check it, let me show you the placement on this RC Hackers. I'm having to use all 3 straps on this 6000, and this front strap up front is just barely touching the front. So that gives you an idea of where that's at. But I'm going to have to take the battery out because the way I've got it set in there in order to check it. And that's okay. I got to take the battery out anyways. All right. Take just a moment. Bear with me, folks. All of our videos are on the fly, unscripted. The only thing I do in preparation for a video is I kind of think about what I'm wanting to do that day, what's going to be the theme, so to speak. But pretty much other than that, we just do it by the seat of the pants. 37%. Well, I got to tell you, this RC Hackers, it's got 100C discharge. It's slightly warm. I flew basically full 4 minutes. I actually over 4 because I was taxiing back and forth doing a range test. So right at 4 minutes, come back at 36%, and I was full speed at least half the time. So 3.5 to 4 minutes on a 6,000, and you're in good shape. Well, folks, that is the E-FLITE VIPER, 90 millimeter, great flying plane. Honestly, the only drawback on this plane is the price, $649. That's the only drawback, and that's huge, I know. But other than that, the plane is, if you want to go in the RC world as far as planes and say something's perfect, this is perfect. Okay. Folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and perfect RC jets. Bye-bye.